Hi friends, today we will see what is painting. Painting is the process of applying paint to a surface. Paint is a fluid that is applied over a solid surface and forms a protective film after drying. Paint can be oil based or water based. What are the purposes of painting? It protects the surface and it gives color and provide a texture. What are the characteristics of painting? It should spread on the surface easily and freely. It should dry in a reasonable time. It should form hard and durable coat. It should have an attractive appearance. It should not crack easily. It should not be harmful to painters while handling, and it should be durable and cheap. What are the constituents of a paint? The base and the filler. It is the fine solid substance which forms the body of the paint, like the white lead, clay, talc, etc. It is usually cheap and inert materials are used for this. And vehicles, it is composed of the binder, solvent or thinner. It is used to dilute the paint, like turpentine is used to dilute the enamel paint and water is used to dilute the water based paint. It evaporates and does not form a part of the paint. Pigments, it gives color to the paint, and dryer, the materials that promote the drying of the paint. What are the types of painting? The first one is the whitewashing. The whitewash is prepared from fat lime. Fat lime is dissolved in water and stirred well. After 24 hours, more water is added. It is a low cost material. Usually 2 coats of whitewashing is applied. Color washing, it is obtained by adding color pigments to whitewash to get different colors. Distembering, it is cheaper variety of paint with chalk as a base, water as a vehicle and glue as the binder. It is available in dry powder form. It is added to water, warm water and stirred for half an hour. Usually 2 coats are applied. What are the properties of distembering? It is light in color. There are chances of shrinkage. It is less durable and it is cheaper than emulsion and enamel paint. Next is oil paint. Here white lead is used as the base, linseed oil and pigments are also used. Enamel paint, it is prepared by adding white lead or zinc to varnish. It provides hard and glossy finish. Emulsion paint, the base is polyestyrene or polyvinyl acetate and mainly it is water based paint. Varnish or shellac, these are paints without pigments. It gives a protective clear coat through which we can see the surface below. It is usually applied on wood. Cement paint, white or colored cement is used as the base and it is added to water. Bituminous paint, it is obtained by dissolving asphalt or bitumen in oil or petroleum. It is black in color. Aluminum paint, it is made from finely grinded aluminum particles in suspension in spirit or oil varnish. After application, oil evaporates, leaving aluminum coating. Anti-corrosive paint, linseed oil is used as the vehicle, lead chrome or zinc chrome is the base and grounded sand is used as a filler. And synthetic rubber paint, it is prepared by dissolving chlorinated rubber in a suitable solvent. Now we can see what are the defects in painting. The first one is blistering. It is the formation of bubble-like shapes on the painted surface, and the primary cause of this defect is the water vapor and dampness. When the water vapor is trapped under the paint layer, it creates bubble under the film of the paint. Next we can see peeling or flaking. Some portion of the paint does not stick properly on the surface and flake off. This is caused due to the poor adhesion of the paint on the surface. These are some pictures of the peeling which you may have seen many times. Next is cracking. This is caused due to the unequal expansion and contraction of the paint. Here we can see how a paint is cracked. Next is chalking. The powdering of the paint film due to the weathering action is known as the chalking. Erosion. Erosion means quick chalking is named as the erosion. Blooming. The formation of dull patches of paint surface is known as blooming. The primary cause is the poor quality of the paint and improper ventilation. Fading. It is a gradual loss of color of the painted surface. This is caused due to the reaction of the sunlight on the pigments of the paint. Wrinkling. This is formed when a thick layer of paint is applied on horizontal surface. Then flashing. It is the presence of glossy patches on the painted surface. It is caused by poor workmanship, low quality of paint, or adverse weathering action. Then sagging. It occurs when thick layer of paint is applied on vertical surface, and you might have seen the paint is coming down. This is known as sagging. The running. This type of defect is seen when the surface is painted to be painted is very smooth. The paint runs back and leaves small areas of surfaces uncovered. This is known as running. Saponification. It is a formation of patches on the painted surface which is caused by the chemical action of the alkalis on the paint. So today we have understood what is painting, different constituents of a paint, different types of paint, and various defects. Thank you so much.